The shared responsibility model in the cloud is a concept that helps people understand who is responsible for what when using cloud services. When you use the cloud, some things are managed by the cloud provider and some things are still customer responsibility. Imagine you have a house that you want to protect. If you live in that house, you are responsible for everything, such as the locks on the doors, the security system, and the even fence around your property. But when you move to the apartment building, some security is provided by the landlord and some you still need to take care of yourself. Moving to cloud is something like being in the apartment building. When you work with public cloud, what is very essential is to understand the division of responsibility. In the on-premises world, you are the landlord. You handle everything from the building and infrastructure to the security alarms and data. You control and are responsible for everything. When you use IaaS, it's like renting an apartment where the building is managed by the landlord, in this case cloud provider. But you still need to lock your doors and windows. The cloud provider manages the physical servers, networking and storage, but you as the customer are responsible for things like your data, applications and security settings. PaaS is more like moving into a furnished apartment. The landlord, in this case cloud provider, not only takes care of the building but also provides furniture like the platform. However, you still need to make sure your belongings are safe and decide who can come in. SaaS is like staying at a hotel. The hotel staff, in this case cloud provider, handles most things like cleaning and maintenance, such as like a software updates and infrastructure update. But you're still responsible for the security of your belongings, in this case data and access management. No matter what type of cloud service you use, some responsibilities always stay with customer, such as data, endpoints, account and access management. You must ensure your data is protected no matter where it is stored. Devices like computers and smartphones that connect to the cloud must be secured by you. And you control who gets access to what in your cloud environment. In essence, understanding the shared responsibility model will help you know what you need to protect and what the cloud provider will take care of. This will ensure that your data and services are secure in the cloud.